Welcome all of you. Let's learn about noun today. We will learn what is noun and how many types of noun are there. We will also do recapitulation. Let's start. Here it is person. It's what? Place, animal, thing. Hence, noun is what? Noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing. Thing means anything we can think of. Clear? Now look around yourself. You can see bed, door, pen, eraser, book, notebook, whatever you are looking around yourself that exists, and it's called what? Noun. Here girl, pen, board, etc. Clear? Now we will do types of noun. How many fingers do you have? Everyone knows? Yes, 5. Similarly, there are 5 types of noun. Let us discuss these in details. Number 1 is common noun, a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind is called what? It's called common noun. Like students go to school and the institution is called what? School. Clear? Sick people goes where? Hospital. And hospital is a common name given to that institution. In the same way, girl, boy, city, etc. Now, second is proper noun. Proper noun is what? It's special name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. It's called what? It's called proper noun. And proper noun always start with what? With capital letter. Like proper person, Ram, Sham, etc. And proper place, Ambala, Delhi, etc. Clear? Proper noun always start with what? Capital letter, and it's a particular person or particular name of any animal or thing. Now third one is collective noun. Collective noun is what? The name of a number of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Collective noun itself shows collection, which shows collection of something like a crowd. Crowd is what? A collection of people. Second is an army. An army is what? A collection of soldiers. And third is a fleet. A fleet is what? A collection of ships. Clear? Collective noun is collection of something. Now, fourth one is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the thing which you can't touch or which you can't see, but you can feel, like any idea, like danger. If some danger is there, you can't see that danger, but you can realize. Clear? Hope. Hope is what? It's feeling. The thing which we can't touch but we can feel or realize is called what? Is called abstract noun. Fifth one is material noun. Material noun is what? A material or substance from which different things are made of are called what? Material noun. For example, gold. With gold, like ornaments are made. Clear? Silver, like so many utensils are made of silver. Jewelry is also made of silver. Wood, like chair, table, door, etc. are made of what? Wood. Clear? In the same way, cotton and plastic. Clear? Today we have learnt about noun. Noun is what? Name of person, place, animal, or thing. And we learnt 5 types of noun. One is common noun, second is proper noun, third is abstract noun, fourth is collective noun, and fifth one is material noun. Hope you understood. Now let us see how much you have learnt. Here some sentences are there. Now read the sentence and tell. Find out the noun and also try to tell its kind. Now first is the crowd was very big. Now which word is noun here? Crowd. Crowd is what? Crowd is collection of people. Now crowd is collective noun. Second is Delhi is a big city. Now Delhi is noun. Which noun? Proper. And city is common noun. Yes. The third one is always speak the truth. Which word is noun? Yes, truth. Can you touch truth? No. Clear? Now truth is what? Truth is abstract noun. Yes. Now the fourth one is the soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. Which words noun here? Soldiers. Soldier is what? Collective noun. Clear? And next is bravery. Can you touch bravery? No. It's what? It's abstract noun. Mohit is an intelligent boy. Now here boy. Boy is what? Common noun. Yes. Now Mohit, a name given to that boy. It means what it becomes? It becomes proper noun. Clear? Yes. Very good. Next, the elephant has great strength. Which word is noun here? Elephant. Clear? Now the strength is also noun, and which type of noun it is? It is, yes, abstract noun. Very good. Now the last one is we all love honesty. Yes, honesty. है ना? And we should be honest. Honesty is liked by everyone. Now which word is noun over here? Honesty. We can't touch honesty. Clear? Now which type of noun it is? Abstract. Yes. Now today we have learnt about noun, its kind, and we have also done recapitulation. Hope you understood the topic very well, and we will see you in next video. Thank you and enjoy. Bye.